forming outside. Thank you. You need a candle, a glass, a matchstick box. Take, light it. Of the candle. Wait for a few seconds. Pour water in both glasses. First, we add lemon. It is thinking. Black pepper and soap and 1 bowl of water. I pour black pepper and I dip my finger. It's away from black pepper. This is my experiment. We are taking the turmeric and water.
Enough. Mix it.
And yeah, it's water. Water in it. Good morning everyone, I'm Sasha of grade 1B. Today I am going to do how to make home fertilizers. Take some glass of water and put onion peel and mix it. Leave this glass of 1 day.
Close. Observe.
And absorbing some water. Next, some ice cubes. Wait some time. The experiment name is storming a glass. First pour water in glass, shaving foam, and add the colored water on shaving foam. Clouds can hold more water. Eventually, they take one comb and put it near the papers. See, it will not stick. Rub the comb on the hair and put it near the papers. See, it will stick. This is because of electric charge. Now I am putting first glass 11. See friends, the lemon is
Sinking.
sinking. Now I'm adding second glass some salt. I'm putting lemon in glass. See friends, the lemon is floating. Good morning, ma'am. Now I am doing right experiment. Now light is come. Thank you, ma'am. Good morning, friends. Good morning, ma'am. I am doing science experiment. When we mix baking soda and vinegar, it releases gas and explodes.
ఇంకా కొట్టు కొంచెం కొట్టు పోతుంది నేను గాలికే క్యాబ్ పెట్టు క్యాబ్ ఇది క్యాబ్ పెట్టు బాటిల్ ఓపెన్
అది ఎట్లా వస్తుంది? Mix well. Use small amount of water. See how volcano erupt. Thank you, friends. I'm studying first class on this section. Now candle is on. We putting candle in the candle. Now candle is off because there is no air. Hi ma'am, I am D. Gauri Stripiya, 1D section. Lemon sinks in water. I am adding this glass salt. Now I am adding lemon to this water, salt water. Observe lemon floats. This water has low density. This water high density. I'm studying grade 1 instruction in Siddhartha Public School. Ice cube. Now we can then put it in a jar. Some of the water can form what may higher. Miss Yomi, I'm studying in Siddhartha Public School, grade 1. Today I'm doing one experiment. I'm taking 2 lemons and two water of glasses. I'm taking 1 lemon, 1 glass of water. Look, I'm taking another glass. Salt. Look, the iron is attractive. The iron attracts for the magnet. This is steel. Let's test if the steel attracts with this magnet. Yeah, it is attracting. Magnet attracts for the iron and steel. This fill in the glass. Takes this lemon. This water density less. Lemon density high. Lemon is sink. Lemon put in the water. Water density high. Lemon density less. In 1 glass, take 2 spoons of salt, 1 lemon and 1 glass. This float. This lemon has higher density. This salt has higher density. Water, this and salt. This is sinking. This is floating.
Why? Because lemon density is higher than water. That's why that is sinking. It is higher than lemon. That's why that is floating.
Thank you. I got it signed. My name is Sankarkaya, first G, Siddhartha Public School. I am scared the air. Without a candle. Close. Thank you. Put the glass.
We can see the light
Off.
is turning off.
Turning off.
Pittu pittu.
See how it is go like this. That to go.
This is due to
This is due to
absence of
action of
oxygen.
oxygen. Going to explain diffusion in water. oxygen for burning. This is candle.
Put off.
Thank you. We need soap, water and pepper. Water. Pour pepper in the water.
Tell.
The dust goes away from soap. Then. This is a bubble inside the bubble. Thank you, ma'am. Hello everyone. My name is Nasima. I am studying grade 1 from Siddhartha Public School. Today I tell you about science. Science is a magic. Let's see how it is. I take off 2 glass filled with water and 2 lemons and common salt. First I take 1 lemon and my name is Maheshri. I am 1J. Today I am doing one experiment. This lemon